Good morning. We're on board the Carnival Splendor and today we're at Airlie Beach in Queensland. We've got to go down and catch a tender boat so we can get to our shore excursion.
Here we are in Airlie Beach. We're just going to go take a walk. We're going to go look at the markets and see what's in town before we go back and catch our sea kayak at 11.
Might get a bit of rain, I think.
Yeah, we might.
Might cool us down anyway.
Yeah.
right blade is vertical. Your first stroke is just stretch as far as you can possibly get comfortably in the water. Pull it back towards you. When it gets in line with your hip, pull out that paddle. This is where your right wrist does some work. Rotates back towards you, so the left blade is vertical in the water. So your right hand does all the twisting, just like the accelerator on a motorbike.
Right, we need to get you kitted up. So my name's Shane. I'm going to be your guide on the water today. We're going to put you in a spray deck like me because I just want to see all the men wearing skirts. And then we're going to put you in something that makes you float in case you capsize. I haven't had a capsize yet this year. Don't be me first. All right. So first things first, guys. They've just come off and they are damp.
Put it in.
There you go. And then one more person needs one. Oh, we're gonna have to struggle with your one.
Easy.
Here you go. Yeah. Too much cruising, isn't it?
That'll do it.
I'm gonna pull this up a little bit more first.
The dining room too.
Get that on the thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. Follow me.
I'm afraid we're bitching and moaning about how cold it is back home.
It can't go any looser, can it?
Perfect. Yeah.
There's your food, mate.
Thank you.
Yours is all good.
Thank you. Storm's coming. Well, not a storm, is it? Rain. Is it? Oh, okay. What is it they say about Queensland? Beautiful one day, perfect the next. But not today. You just paddle a bit. Paddle us out of here and I'll steer. Cool, now we're heading back to where we started.
Come on in, guys. Jump out the front first, carefully.
Thank you.
You can come up if you like, guys. You can get your life jackets off, get your gear, and get back into town. Try and get your big voucher quantity up.